Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern in which you alternate between eating and fasting intervals. Intermittent fasting can take numerous forms, including the 16-8 method and 5-2 methods. Numerous studies have shown that it can have significant health and cognitive benefits. For more in-depth to intermittent fasting for weight loss, check our video on it. As we jump right in, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with family and friends. Here are 7 health benefits of intermittent fasting that have been scientifically proven. Number 7. Intermittent fasting may be able to extend your lifespan. One of the most intriguing applications of intermittent fasting is its potential to prolong lifespan. Intermittent fasting extends lifespan in rodents in the same manner that chronic calorie restriction does. Fruit flies have also been found to live longer when they fast, hence we can say the same with humans. For a complete guide to intermittent fasting, check the description below. Number 6. Intermittent fasting can activate a variety of cellular repairs in your body. When we fast, our body's cells begin a cellular waste elimination process known as autophagy. Broken and malfunctioning proteins that accumulate inside cells over time are broken down and metabolized by the cells. Increased autophagy may protect against a variety of diseases, including cancer and neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. Fasting triggers a metabolic pathway, which removes waste material from cells and makes you brand new inside. How lovely is that? For more info about intermittent fasting, check the description below. Number 5. Improved brain health. What's beneficial for the body is frequently also good for the mind. Intermittent fasting increases the number of metabolic characteristics that are linked to brain function. Intermittent fasting helps reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, blood sugar levels, and insulin resistance. Fasting also raises levels of a hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor in the brain, BDNF. A lack of BDNF has been linked to depression and other mental illnesses. Intermittent fasting has also been proven to protect against brain damage caused by stroke. So rest assured that you will not only reap the benefits of weight loss but other intermittent fasting benefits as well. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Number 4. Reduced risk of cancer. Cancer is characterized by uncontrollable cell growth. Fasting has been found to have a number of metabolic benefits, including a lower risk of cancer. Intermittent fasting or diets that imitate fasting may help prevent cancer, according to promising findings from animal research. Human research has yielded similar results, although additional research is needed. Fasting may potentially minimize the negative effects of chemotherapy in people. Obesity is a risk factor for many cancers, so the weight loss aspect of intermittent fasting may be responsible for the lower cancer risk that some studies suggest. Intermittent fasting can also lower insulin levels and inflammation, 2 biological elements linked to cancer. Number 3. Improved heart health. Heart disease is currently the leading cause of death worldwide. Various health markers, also known as risk factors, have been linked to an increased or decreased risk of heart disease. Fasting for short periods of time has been found to benefit a variety of risk factors, including reducing sugar levels in the blood, reducing pressure in the blood, and improve aspects of cardiovascular health. Number 2. Fasting can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. In recent decades, type 2 diabetes has become a very common diagnosis. Intermittent fasting has been demonstrated to offer significant benefits for insulin resistance as well as a significant reduction in blood sugar levels. Anything that lowers insulin resistance and protects against type 2 diabetes should help lower blood sugar levels. Fasting blood sugar levels in persons with prediabetes were lowered by 3 to 6% over the course of 8 to 12 weeks in human research on intermittent fasting. Fasting insulin levels have been lowered by 20 to 31%. Intermittent fasting has been proven to with diabetes prevention by aiding weight loss and may be influencing other characteristics connected to a higher risk of diabetes. Number 1. Weight loss. As you may already know this, intermittent fasting can help you lose weight by reducing your insulin levels. Carbohydrates are broken down by the body into glucose, which cells use for energy or store as fat for later use. Insulin is a hormone that makes it possible for cells to absorb glucose. When a person does not eat, their insulin levels drop. It's likely that lower insulin levels cause cells to release their glucose stores as energy during a fasting phase. Weight loss may be achieved by repeating this method on a regular basis, similar to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can also lead to a reduction in overall calorie consumption, which can help with weight loss. Intermittent fasting has grown increasingly popular among the anti-aging community, despite the fact that it has yet to be proven in people. Given the benefits of intermittent fasting for metabolism and a variety of health markers, it's easy to see how it could help you live a longer and healthier life. Intermittent fasting is a popular weight loss approach, but it has many other advantages. According to animal and human research, it can also help you live a longer and overall healthier life. Intermittent fasting can be done in a variety of ways. Some approaches entail fasting for a period of time each day. Other approaches just need fasting on specific days of the week. The methods used as well as the outcomes differ. If you're thinking about starting intermittent fasting, talk to your doctor or nutritionist right away. They can assist you in determining whether or not it is suitable for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification for more content. Like and share.